What's going on, guys? Stephen Hamby here again with Pro PDR of Georgia. Today it's a little drizzly outside, so we're going to be working inside. We're at an audio shop. We're going to be working on a 2019 Aston Martin Vantage. Has a crease in the driver's side door back near the edge. So I'm going to take you over and show you that dent, show you how we set up and repair dents like these with Paintless Dent Repair today. So guys, I appreciate you taking the time to check out this video. Let's go ahead and get started.
So as you can tell, we got about a 2-inch crease in this door right back here near the edge. This door is made of aluminum, which of course is a harder metal to repair than steel. It's lighter, but it doesn't have the same type of memory that steel does, so it's a little bit harder to fabricate back out. It takes a little bit more time. Right now what we're doing is we are inside the door cavity. We have a protective layer across the glass so that we don't scratch the glass, and we're applying pressure to the back side of the metal, shaping that crease back out. And in this particular video, we didn't really show any of the tools that we use when we're performing these repairs. If you're curious about that, watch some of our other videos. You'll see some of the tools that we use to perform paintless dent repair. Right now we have a high-speed camera rolling, kind of showing the process of methodically shaping that crease back out from the inside. We got it sped up to about 6 times the normal speed because this is not exactly a quick process, especially on an aluminum door. And what we're doing there is we're actually tapping down tiny little high spots that kind of appear as we're starting to shape the metal back out. You know, taking down the high spots, bringing up the low spots until you get to this point right here where you've completely removed the crease. The metal is nice and flat. The texture in the paint is consistent throughout the rest of the door. So there's literally no evidence that there was ever any damage to this door.
All right, guys, thanks again for checking out this video. I really appreciate that. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, click that bell and you'll get notified every time we upload new material. Guys, if you have a dent on your vehicle that you'd like to get an estimate on, you can give us a call at 678-544-3004. You can send emails with photos of your damage to propdrofga@gmail.com, or you can always find us on the web at dentrepairgeorgia.com. Guys, again, I appreciate it, and we'll catch you next time.